Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create new style of typography animation with using Element 3D and After Effects. So firstly guys, I create new composition. Guys, duration I take 10 seconds and take any name and press OK. And now guys, I take text and type any letter like A. So guys, alignment, select this text and alignment, yeah, right. And now guys, I take new solid layer, yeah, and name guys, take Element 3D, and guys select this text layer, hide, and select this 3D layer. So I go to effect and Video Copilot, use Element 3D plugin, yeah. So go to custom layer and guys custom text mask, take letter and click on screen, yeah. So guys click on extrude, that's my text, right. And path resolution take full extreme, yes. And guys go to here bevel and bevel extrude decrease half like 0.5, right. And now guys I apply material, I use simple guys this time chrome material, select this chrome material, apply on bevel, yeah, right. And now guys I take this time bevel copy, take 2, yes, and select this material, second material, apply on bevel 2, yeah, right. So select this one, guys go to here offset, change, right, and bevel size decrease and bevel extrude smaller like 0.5 same, and Z offset change, yeah. See guys, that's my text, right. Okay, and now guys select this one and press copy. So shortcut command is Ctrl D. So go to back and guys this time select this chrome material and extrude increase like this, like 2, yeah, and attach, yeah, right. See guys, that's my shape. And now guys select first one and again copy. So go to on back, yes. See guys, that's my text, right. And now guys again click on extrude, click, and guys select this one, go to bevel and bevel outline, click, yes. And guys decrease depth, extrude, yes, and go to back like this, yeah, and apply same material, yes. See guys, that's my final text bevel, right. Okay, so guys second shape I take plane and double sided check, two sided, and flip, take 90, enter, and guys scale size I take like 1500, yes, and go to back, yeah. See guys, right. Okay, so now guys I apply material for this background. So I use Pro Shader 2 and Pro Shader 2 material, go to metal and guys apply metal material like this, yes. And guys I change metal plane UV change like 40 and 40, yeah, better, right. Okay, so now I click on environment, yeah, I change environment texture. So go to environment and basic environment, click this one, I like this one, yes, second one, yeah, better, right. Okay, so guys also change lighting, so you can use product Yes. And second one, aqua. Actually guys, now this time I apply side texture, some texture. So guys, this one, that's my texture. So go to normal map and click on load texture. Guys, that's my texture. So open. Okay, so guys, change this one, this material, select this one. Yeah, that's my material, and go to normal map and click. Yes, right, and change guys UV. I take 5 and 5. Yeah, and press OK. Guys, go to glossiness and load texture and specular map, open, and guys, same UV 5 and 5. Yeah, and press OK. And guys, strength like 50. Yes, better, right? And last texture, guys, ambient occlusion and UV 5 and 5. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful material and lighting. Guys, take like this aqua, and second one you can take also product, right? Guys, depend on your work, you can take anyone, but I like this time, I like this one, product. Yes, right. Okay, so now guys, select this one plane, and right click on plane and go to reflection mode and use mirror surface. Yeah, that's my mirror, beautiful lighting, right? Okay, so guys, my text is complete, and press OK, right? So guys, this time I take camera and presets, I take 28mm, and guys, closer, and rotate this camera, rotate like this. Yeah, right. See guys, that's my camera angle. Okay, so guys, now I take some color correction. So I use adjustment layer and go to effect and presets and type glow. Guys, apply glow. Yeah, and glow threshold little bit increase like 80. Guys, more like 85. And radius increase. Yes, better, like 200. Yes, and intensity like 1.5. Actually take 1.2. Yeah, that's my glow lighting. And second one, guys, I use curve tool. So select this curve, apply on same adjustment layer and little bit increase. Yes, better. And yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful lighting and mirror effect, right? Okay, so now guys, I go to here, element 3D layer, and go to render setting, and guys, go to ambient occlusion and ambient occlusion check. Yes, and guys, intensity I take like 5, and guys, like 6, I like 6. Yes, and samp increase like 32, right? And guys, go to here, lighting, and add light, same product. Yeah, right. See guys, and you can change anyone. That's my lighting, and that's my none light, right? But I like this one. Yes, and guys, go to physics environment, increase gamma like 1.3, and expose little bit increase like 1.3, same. Yeah, right. See guys, that's my beautiful lighting right? Okay, so go to output and XAMPP useful. Yeah, right? Okay, so guys, lastly I go to camera option and depth of field check. Yes, and guys, aperture I take like 50 and focus distance set like 300, little bit decrease like 250. Yes, better guys. Aperture little bit decrease like 30. Yeah, much better, right? Okay, so guys, now aperture actually focus distance check and go to here and check. Yes, press U and guys go to last one like 9 seconds and camera angle change. Guys, camera angle change like this and little bit back. Yes, yeah, see guys, that's my lighting is really good. And little bit closer. Yes, right, see guys. Okay, so now guys go to mid one and focus distance change like 100, like 200. Yes, see guys, that's my focus. 250. Yeah, and go to like mid one. Yes, and like 300. More change. Yes, much better, right? So go to here like 2.5 frame. Yes, my focus distance is good. And lastly guys, go to 10 second and focus distance is good, right? See guys, that's my focus. And mid one, it's really good. And 5 frame. Yes, mid 7 second. Yeah, see guys, my focus is really good. Now select all keyframe and press F9. Yes, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. That's my new style of 3D title animation with using Element 3D is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.